your girlfriend over here did not add her credit card info to the billing stuff that it needed to be. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus was a bag that was actually sent to me from Ipsy. So I used to do 2 unboxings. I had my account and then I had my daughter's account. So they sent to me for the last couple of months, and then I forgot to add my billing information if I wanted to continue it. And I forgot to do that. Let me know down below what you guys got in your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus this month. I'm jealous. I want to know what you guys got and see if you guys got anything amazing. I kind of don't want to know because if I'm missing out, I'm going to be so bummed. But May will resume back to its normal box-to-box versus, you know, thing that I do. This is the bag for April. I do like it. I actually have a shirt with lemons on it. This is lemons, right? Yeah. And then once we open it up, we will get the card. And this month's card is Build Your Dream Bag. So the very first thing I have in my bag is the Vasanti brush. Ooh, that's actually really nice. I actually love how small this brush is because I actually have one by Morphe that I'm obsessed with. But do you see how similar those two are? Like, they've got that really small dome shape. And this is definitely, I use this all the time. I can use it for my lower lash line. I can use it for my top to kind of blend out the edges. So I definitely see myself getting a lot of use out of that. So that's awesome. The next thing I have here is, oh, how cute is this? It says Moods on it, and it is by Laura Sanchez. And this is I don't know what it is, but I like the packaging. Ooh, it is a matte brown, chocolate brown shadow. That's actually a really big pan size. This is an eyeshadow, right? I hope it's not like a brow powder. Anyways, really cute. I love the pan size of this. I actually think this is a really big pan size for a chocolate brown, but definitely could use it, so I enjoy that. I have the Tarte Shape Tape Base Tape. Wait, what? Tarte Base Tape. It's a hydrating primer. Is this new? I feel like this is new. This is the Double Duty Primer. Watery. All right. We shall see. Definitely gonna have to play with that. The next thing I have here is Moroccan Magic Argan Essential and Lip Balm. Ooh, I actually needed a lip balm. My kids and I have been going through lip balm here recently like crazy because of weather changes and stuff, so our lips are very dry. So we have had lip balms like everywhere in our house. So this is definitely gonna come in handy. Oh yeah, it smells good. It's got like that, is that peppermint or something? Yeah, peppermint, there it is. I have this by The Balm, and it is the Balm Bonjour Cream Lip Stain. And this is a Stain and Shine, and this is in the shade, there's no shade, but maybe the shade is called Bonjour. Oh, that's a pretty color. Oh yeah, it looks very similar to the color I'm wearing right now, doesn't it? I really do like the Balm liquid lipsticks. I actually had a few. I ended up decluttering a few of them just because they were old because I've had them for so long. But I do like the formula. They're very, very nice, and it's a really good size amount. You know, I think if more companies did liquid lipsticks in this sort of size, I would go through them so much faster than like right now where it takes forever to go through a liquid lipstick. But I really wish a lot more companies would do this size of liquid lipsticks because I feel like that's like the perfect size, you know? I don't know, maybe it's just me. That was a very short video, short and sweet and quick, and that's how we do it here on my channel. So next month, I promise you guys we will do both of them. This month, I don't know what I was thinking. I just, anyways, obviously I wasn't thinking. I've been sitting here, well not sitting here, I filmed this morning, I filmed this eye look, it's a one brand tutorial, and then I filmed my Sephora recommendations, which will be up on Thursday, and then I'm sitting here after I picked up the kids and I'm thinking, where's that bag at? Like, I don't know where it's at the entire time, and I'm like, did I do something wrong? So then I went into like my Ipsy accounts and I started reading through and I was like, oh, nice work, Steph. So smart, so smart. And then I'm looking through my emails and it's like, hey, you need to update your payment account. And I'm like, yeah, that's me. If you guys want to know about Ipsy, how to subscribe, all that good stuff, link down below is always there. So thank you all so much for watching. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Steph. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you guys didn't know, I do upload on Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays at 6 p.m. So I will catch you guys later. I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.